is a short form for foreign exchange. It represents the market in which a country's currency is quoted against that of another. It therefore provides the basis for governments, companies, and private individuals like me and you to agree on a rate of exchange between one currency and another. Without this rate, there would be no agreed standard by which rate for transactions will be set. As a result, all rates are quoted in pairs with one country quoted against another country. The Forex market is the largest and most traded market in the world, with a total daily liquidity of $6.6 trillion as at January 2021. The foreign exchange market, also known as Forex, FX or currency market, is a global decentralized or over-the-counter market for the trading of currencies. This market determines foreign exchange rates for every currency. It includes all aspects of buying, selling, and exchanging currencies, as current or determines prices. Forex market has been in existence for over a century, alright? And it's going to be until the whole world stops existing. Banks, financial institutions, pension companies, private individuals like me and you, etc., trade client money in the Forex market. Guess what? Forex can never crash or liquidate. Mind you, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's just like any other business. It requires patience, dedication, and commitment to learn the skill and then apply the skill. Alright? You either trade, alright, using provided signals or using the broker's indicators. Okay? All you need to get started is the right broker and the right knowledge. See this video description for my recommended broker, alright? And follow the Telegram link to join my next free Forex trading class for beginners, alright? I'm going to invite my own mentor, alright, to carry you through this training, okay? So you can start taking part in these trading activities, alright? You can also join my VIP signal group on Telegram. You can also connect with me directly, okay, in case you have any questions. So if you want to start trading Forex today, before you start learning, you can start using my free VIP signals, okay? The link to join the group is in the description box, okay? So check my box, check the description box and click on the link and let's meet there, alright? So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and give me a subscription if this is your first time of being on my channel, alright? Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.